Hey everyone, it's time to learn how to adjust display scale settings in Windows 11. While Windows 11 can automatically adjust display scaling to ensure that elements like text, icons, and navigation are properly sized and readable, this feature isn't always perfect. There are times when manually adjusting these settings may be more beneficial. For instance, if you have less than perfect eyesight, increasing the size of on-screen elements can make them easier to see and interact with, helping to reduce eye strain. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings tab and then select the System tab in the left sidebar. After that, click on the Display page on the right side. And under the Scale and Layout section, use the Scale drop-down menu and select the scale setting, for example, 100%, 125%, 150%, and 175%. And once you complete these steps, the new scale configuration will apply. Although it's not required, you may need to restart the computer to make sure the settings applies correctly for all supported applications. You shouldn't change the scale settings using custom values because it affects the viewing experience. However, if it is needed, you do it correctly. It may help you hit the sweet spot. And now it's time to learn how to set a custom scale size of a display. To do so, you just have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings tab. After that, select the System tab in the left sidebar. And then you have to click on the Display page on the right side. And then you have to select the scale setting under the Scale and Layout section. And then you have to configure a custom scaling size between 100% and 500% under the Custom Scaling section. And if you want to increase the size of text, apps and other items, you can try using 110% at the new scale value. Then click on the Check button. After that, click on the Sign Out button. And then you have to sign back into the account. And after you complete the steps, the system will apply the setting you specified. If the system isn't scaling elements correctly, repeat the steps to select a different value to increase or decrease the scaling value until you reach the correct configuration. And now it's time to learn how to make text bigger across the desktop. If you want to make the text more readable, you should not adjust the scale settings. Instead, you should change the text size settings on your Windows device. To do so, you just have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings tab. After that, select Accessibility option in the left sidebar. And then you have to click on Text Size page on the right side. Then use the text size slider to make the font size across the desktop bigger. And finally hit the Apply button, and that's about it. So that's how you can perfectly adjust display scale settings in Windows 11 or later to your heart's liking. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.